Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a very quick review about this powerful website called Bitwarden. So in this video I'm going to dive deep into the pros and cons about this platform together with the special features about this platform. So to get started, what is Bitwarden? Bitwarden is a password manager, like a super secure digital notebook for all your password across every account. Think of it as a special app and a browser extension that lives in your browser like Chrome or Edge. It helps you create strong, unique password so you don't have to. When you go to website to log in, the browser extension can fill in your username and password for you. All your passwords are kept safe in your Bitwarden vault. This cool thing is that it's end-to-end encrypted. This means your passwords are scrapped up so no one else can read them, helping you to stay safe online. Now, talking about the top benefit about this platform, they offer a wide range of different benefits as a user using this platform. They help you place like a CPM mag, often call it the password manager, and for good reason. It gives you a top-notch security without cost or time. It also helps you keep you online world safe and secure your digital life with its end-to-end encrypted password vault. And here's the best of the features about this platform. So Bitwarden does more than just remember your password for every account. They also help you pack that cool tools to really secure your digital life. So let's check out some of the best things it can do for you as a user. So one of the best features is you have a password generator, which helps you generate a strong password together with a data importer and the export vault. Just like you can import your data and you can also export the vault. It also comes with a report about your activities and a custom domain. So talking about the pricing plan for this website, we have different pricing plan for this platform. We have the free plan, we have the premium plan, then we have a families plan. So if you want more information about the plan, you can simply go to the website to check more features that is listed on each and every plan together with the cost of each plan. So that's it. So talking about the pros and cons, we have the wide range of pros, which is the advantages you stand to gain as a user on this platform. We have this cross-platform and a feature rich with a passkey support. It also comes with a data import and a third-party audit. Now talking about the downside, its an interface can be less polished. Its initial setup might be slightly technical, and advanced features on a paid plan. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful platform.